Hello and welcome to this new section on RCM Excellence Success Factors and the first lecture of that in this course, Revenue Cycle Management. So in this particular section, we will help you get an in-depth view of the RSM Excellence Success Factor, RCM Excellence Success Factors. And we will begin talking about what does it take to become excellent in revenue cycle management. We will give you all the steps required and talk about in more detail about one of the steps, right? So that's what we will do in this lecture. So what do you think? What does it take to become excellent in revenue cycle management, RCM? Any thoughts? So, achieving excellence in revenue cycle management requires a combination of four things. First, you need to have advanced technology. Then you need to, along with that, you need to have people who are skilled in operating and using that technology. And then patient-centered practices and continuous process improvement. So these are the four things, and a good combination of that, working in tandem, is what it takes to become excellent in revenue cycle management. So, what are the key steps to become excellent in RCM? Any thoughts on that? Fine. We requires a combination of these four things, but what does one need to do? Let's take a look at the steps that you need to take. And there are many steps, and let's quickly summarize here now and then go one by one over the remaining set of lectures in this section. So, first thing that you need to do is to invest in advanced technology. Then you need to focus on patient-centered practices. Then build a proactive denial management strategy. And we know what denial management is, but we will talk about how can you build this proactive denial management strategy in one of the lectures in the future. Then optimize the front-end processes, the processes that customer comes in touch with. Then develop strong denial management and follow-up procedure as a part of the denial management strategy. Then measure and monitor key performance indicators. Leverage data analytics for continuous improvement. Then maintain compliance with regulation because healthcare organizations have a lot of compliance to take care of. Then foster a culture of continuous improvement using the data analytics and other things that we are talking about here. And engage leadership and collaborate with them in this whole process. And finally, adapt to evolving payment models. So these are the many steps that you need to take to become excellence in RCM. So let's take a look at the first step on how can you invest in advanced technology. Where can you invest? So there are three places where you can invest in advanced technology. And the first one is very obvious, staring in face of all of us, is automation and AI. So automate and you start using AI for running your operations if you want to become an excellent in RCM. Second thing we have talked about is to have an integrated electronic health records system. And that we will talk about how to do that and what are the benefits of that. And thirdly, to have real-time data analytics and analytic tools. So these are the three places that I would say you must invest in these advanced technologies to become excellent in uh, revenue cycle management. Now, how can you invest in AI and automation? So, first thing, what are the places you can do this investment in automation and AI? Now, implementing automation tools and AI intelligence can streamline the revenue cycle by automating such repetitive tasks such as charge capture, claim submission, and payment processing. So focus your automation on these repetitive tasks, and these are critical repetitive tasks. Now, AI can also be used to predict denial trends and suggest solution because denials are the biggest source of pain in the revenue cycle management. So use AI for that. So automate in the repetitive tasks and use AI along with predictive analytics to predict denial trends and suggest solutions. Now, talking about electronic healthcare records, now what does it do? And what are the benefits of having an integrated EHR system? Now, this integrated EHR system connects both clinical and financial data, and that ensures that the billing is accurate and efficient. Now, there in this EHR also helps you integrate with the patient registration, scheduling, and insurance verification that are very critical to reduce the manual errors and improve the claims accuracy. So creating this electronic health record will help make your bills accurate and efficient, the whole billing process, reduce the manual errors and improve claim accuracy. So put in place an integrated EHR. The third thing is we've been talking about already was to use real-time data to monitor key performance indicators. Now, what are the key performance indicators that you should track? Now, these are like claims processing time. How much does it take by your insurance to process the claim, including your own time? Denial rates, what percentage of your claims are being denied by the insurance companies? And what are the cash collections happening? What are the time it is taking to collect cash? In this analytics, the second part is predictive analytics, as we were talking about, and that can help you identify issues before they become a problem. So preventive and uh, action in advance, and that can enable proactive decision making. So that's how the real-time data. So two parts of real-time data, the data analytics, real-time data tracking, as well as predictive analytics that can help you track KPIs and identify issues before they become problem for you to look into. So what is next? So having looked at where to invest in advanced technology and what are the benefits, etc., what do we do next? We will now look at another important factor and a step of focusing on patient-centered practices, and along with that another one of building a proactive denial management strategy in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on RCM, Excellence Success Factors, in this course, Revenue Cycle Management. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.